Yo, what's the word? I'm back with another banger for y'all. Today I got another album cover tutorial. I'm gonna be showing y'all how to turn this into this. Man, I ain't gonna lie, that fire. I ain't trying to toot my own horn, but I think I'm getting better and better. So if you want to stay tuned on this journey, make sure you hit that bell. But I don't want to waste no more time, so let's move straight into the tutorial. I started off by searching King Von in Safari. Per usual, change the search filters to large to get a clean, clear image. Nothing nasty and blurry. Once I found something, I saved it and loaded it into Photoroom to get the background removed. Once that was done, I loaded the original image and the new image into CapCut. After I got it lined up, I did the text before actually editing the picture. You'll see how I did it at the end. I decided to name it what it means to be king. I picked out a certain font I liked, then I got his name positioned and picked out another font I liked. After that, I needed to add some smoke or something in the background to make it pop. I don't know, just to add some pizzazz to it a little bit. So I searched up smoke or fog or something like that. I positioned it behind his body and zoomed it in a little bit. And then I moved on to the adjustments to make it blend in a little bit better. I moved on to add a white shadow behind the album name, just to add this white glossy glow effect. I really was just freestyling right there, but I kinda like it. I'll probably use it more in the future. Most of these tutorials I be doing, I'll be freestyling a lot of the steps. That adds to the organic vibe. Just a couple tips. I slid all the layers down so I could export the background by itself. Then I loaded it into PicsArt. Then went back to CapCut to undo everything and move everything from the background down to just leave the layers and export that. I added a couple effects and masks to the background, then added the top layer over it. It was pretty much done. Now I added some individual masks and filters to the top layer, and then after I applied those, I added some masks and filters to the entire picture together to make it blend and mesh together. Then it was just time to add the logos and stickers. I got all of that positioned, and here's the final product. Let me know what you think in the comments. I need a rating 1 through 10 as usual. Follow me on Instagram, like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure you stay tuned to the next video. I'm gonna be showing y'all how to make thumbnails. Actually, I'm gonna be showing you how to make a thumbnail for a Mr. Beast type video. So if you wanna see that, you might wanna click on this video right here. But if you wanna see another album cover tutorial, you might wanna click on this video right here. Or just stay tuned until next time, my friend.